Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So it is a little bit earlier in the month of June and I had to do a quick Costco haul. I am making some food for my son's Track Banquet and there were a few items that I needed to get from Costco, so I just went and got that plus a few other things that I was running low on. So you may end up with 2 Costco hauls this month. We'll have to wait and see. It all depends. But anyway, and also I will link the recipe to some of the items that I am making in the description box. So if you guys are interested, those recipes will be linked in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to start here in the back. And let me focus. This is just some plain white square bread. We are having turkey club sandwiches for dinner tonight, and we like the turkey club on just plain white square bread. I don't know why, but we do. And then here I just picked up a box of the Jimmy Dean sausage, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches. Hubby and the kids really like those for breakfast. And here is a big bag. I think this is a 5-pound bag of 5 cheese tortellini. I am making a tortellini pasta salad for the banquet. This is one of the recipes I will link below. I may have done a video on this. I'm not sure. If I did do the video, I will link the recipe. If not, or the video. If not, I will link the recipe. And then here is a pack of the turkey breast for our turkey club sandwiches. I'm telling you guys, this is the best turkey breast. This really, really is the best turkey breast. And then in the back here, I just picked up some crispy chicken strips for the kids. I thought it'd be something a little bit different other than nuggets for them to have for lunches. And of course, I got their Purdue nuggets as well. And then here I got a big pack of strawberries, some Greek yogurt. These 2 are going to be used for a recipe. I have a new video that's going to be coming out once a month. I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but I'm really thinking you all may like this. Well, some of you are going to really like it, I think. It's going to be a new monthly series that I thought many of my friends are going to enjoy. So these 2 items are the recipe for that. Or part of a recipe. So I'm not going to spoil it yet, but you will see that coming out by the end of this month. So I'm very excited about that. And then I picked up 2 packs of the rotisserie chicken breast meat. One is basically for the house that I use. You guys know that this is one of my staples. I use this all the time. And then the other pack is because I am making a pasta dish. It's called, I think it's buffalo chicken pasta salad. I've never made it before, but I thought it sounded really good. So that I am making and taking to the banquet as well. And I will link the recipe where I found that. But like I said, this recipe is one that I've never had, so I'm kind of curious to see how it tastes. But I will link that recipe for you. And then back here, I picked up some chicken and cheese taquitos. Everybody loves these. Quick lunch and snack. And I picked up the 2-pack of the Mexican blend cheese. I am making another pinwheel recipe, and I'm going to be needing the cheese for that. That again is for the banquet. And like I said, I will share all those recipes with you, the ones that I have. And then I just needed some hearty white bread. Just hubby makes sandwiches using that. And on Friday for dinner, we're going to be having the avocado chicken salad for dinner, because this week has been a crazy week and it's quick and easy. And then here I have some dog treats. My older dog is not a big fan of these, or he's just not crazy about them, but unfortunately they only had these and one other treat that the dogs used to love, but Chasey with his teeth and all, he really can't eat those treats anymore. So I just grabbed this, so hopefully it'll hold them over until I can get some other treats. And then here I just picked up the huge pack of the flour tortillas. And again, we use these a lot for Taco Tuesdays, but I am making pinwheels, and I will, again, put that recipe below. So I'm taking that to the track meeting as well. So I needed quite a few of those. Picked up some romaine lettuce. That's pretty much another staple in our house. And then back here, I picked up some Cliff Bars. I don't know if you guys have ever had these. These are, let me see if I can focus for you. Okay, these are white chocolate, macadamia nut, and chocolate chip. And I am not a macadamia nut fan. I do not care for it. And I tried that just out of curiosity, and OMG, was it good. So I ended up buying 2 boxes of these. They were on sale this month. I'm actually putting together the track coaches gifts, and I'm going to add a couple of these in with the gift. It's, you know, it's just kind of like an added, it's like a little small gift basket / cup basket, and I thought it'd be fun just to add a couple of those in there as well. I needed some dishwasher tablets because I was getting very low, and then I picked up this big pack. It's 30 half-size deep trays. I'm going to be making several pasta dishes, and I thought this would be really good. You can see how many of them it is. This would be really good to put the pasta in and just wrap it with foil. Don't have to worry about losing my dishes. I can just, you know, it can be trashed or whatever. And then here I picked up a 7-pack of Barilla pasta. I needed the farfalle pasta for the one particular salad that I'm making, and I can always use the other pasta salad. So I went ahead, or pasta salads. I can always use the other pasta style, so no biggie. And then I picked myself up some gardening gloves. I never wear gardening gloves. I always just use my hands, and my poor nails, they're always black. So I thought I would try getting these gardening gloves. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but they were not that expensive. I think it's 10 pair, and I think I might have paid like $9.99 for them, so that wasn't bad. So here are some avocados, and like I said, I'm having chicken avocado or avocado chicken salad sandwiches for Friday. So I picked up 2 cases of bottled water. Their cases are 40 bottles per case. 1 case is for the house, and the other case I am taking to the banquet. So this is everything that I purchased, including the 2 cases of water. I did get quite a bit of meats today, or you know, like frozen chicken and stuff. So how much do you think I spent? Let me come out a little bit for you. There we go. All right, so how much do you think I spent? I'll give you a moment, and of course the receipt is in my purse, so I'm gonna have to grab that real quick. Okay, grab the receipt. So my total spent was $237.32. Seems like a lot of money for what you're seeing here, but as I mentioned, you know, between the turkey breast, 2 packs of that, and all the frozen meats and stuff right here, I guess when you look at it that way, it really wasn't overly expensive. So anyway, that is everything that I purchased. So friends, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you would, because it does help me out a whole lot. I love hearing from you guys, so if you have any questions or any comments regarding what I purchased, or if you have any suggestions of things that you love that you get at Costco, I would love to hear it. And like I mentioned, I will link the recipes or videos of what I'm making for the banquet, or some of the stuff that I'm making at least. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, they will be linked in the description box as well. So friends, thanks again for joining me. And don't forget, I have a Facebook page and an Instagram. It's called Mama Needs a Goal. So I do post on both of those frequently. So don't forget to check those out as well. So friends, thanks again, and I will see you next time. Bye!